ClimateView from Sweden. ClimateView provides game-changing SaaS insights to accelerate cities' transition to net zero. ClimateView's technology helps city planners manage, budget and mitigate their emissions. Hyperion Robotics from Finland. Hyperion Robotics designs, engineers and manufactures sustainable concrete structures. Their solution reduces material usage by 75% and cuts construction's carbon footprint by up to 90%. Lumoview Building Analytics from Germany. Lumoview offers the fastest way to digitize buildings, target renovations and reduce CO2. Through AI, Lumoview scans rooms in just 2 seconds, producing dependable 3D CAD designs that empower building owners.